बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। जी मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 12 मई 2024 के अखबार में। करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर इंटेंड्स टू हायर द सर्विसेज ऑफ फॉलोइंग प्रोफेशनल्स हैविंग प्रिस्क्राइब्ड eligibility, educational qualification and experience as mentioned here under on 1 year contract period extendable for another 2 periods of 1 year each on satisfactory performance or till the completion of project whichever is allowable for the project of Tharkol rail connectivity with existing railway network including last mile connectivity with Port Qasim. Interested candidates may apply for the following posts to be filled purely on contract basis under project pay scale PPS. Serial number 1 title Deputy Project Director pay package PPS 9 number of post 1. Prescribed eligibility educational qualification and experience criteria MSc in civil engineering with a minimum 10 years of post qualification experience of construction and maintenance of infrastructure preferably railways or bachelor in civil engineering with a minimum 10 years of post qualification experience of construction and maintenance of infrastructure preferably railways duly registered with Pakistan Engineering Council as professional engineer. Preference shall be given to PMP certified professional and having experience of working on MS project or Primavera. दूसरी जॉब है एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर सिविल पे पैकेज PPS 8 नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट 1. नंबर 1 बैचलर इन सिविल इंजीनियरिंग ड्यूली रजिस्टर्ड विद पाकिस्तान इंजीनियरिंग काउंसिल एज प्रोफेशनल इंजीनियर. नंबर 2 मस्ट हैव अ मिनिमम 8 years of post qualification experience of supervision execution and monitoring and controlling progress reporting and preparation of presentations etc of infrastructure projects railway/buildings and roads/highways etc. Number 3 preference shall be given to PMP certified professionals having experience of working on MS project or Primavera and well conversant with various planning tools and techniques. Number 3 executive engineer signal pay package PPS 8 number of post 1. Number 1 bachelor in electrical or electronics or telecommunication engineering duly registered with Pakistan Engineering Council as professional engineer having a minimum 8 years of post qualification experience of supervision execution monitoring and controlling of signaling and telecommunication works relevant to railway/metro trains etc or 3 years diploma in electrical or electronics or telecommunication technology having a minimum 20 years of post qualification experience of supervision execution monitoring and controlling of signaling and telecommunication works relevant of railways/metro trains etc. Number 4 assistant executive engineer civil pay package PPS 7 number of post 2. Number 1 bachelor in civil engineering duly registered with Pakistan Engineering Council as professional qualification experience of supervision execution recording of measurements monitoring and controlling of infrastructure project ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ railways/buildings and roads/highways etc. related activities must be well conversant with quality assurance and quality control and supervision practices being followed on projects to ensure quality of works. 5 assistant accounts officer pay package PPS 7 number of post 1. Number 1 qualified as MBA finance or BCom or ACCA. Number 2 must have a minimum 5 years post qualification experience of preparation and maintenance of project accounts etc. conversant with the procedures and practices adopted in public sector for project related works including accounting and auditing. Number 6 PWI grade 2 pay package PPS 6 number of post 2. 1 must be qualified as DAE civil must have a minimum 9 years of post qualification experience of laying/rehabilitation and/or maintenance of railway tracks and turnouts etc. and must be familiar with the temporary arrangements and other relevant practices tools and machinery used in Railways. Number 3, must be able to prepare the drawings for track and yard. 7, IOW grade 2 pay package PPS 6. Number of posts हैं 2. Must be qualified as DAE Civil. Must have a minimum 8 years of post qualification experience of supervision, inspection and testing of infrastructure works, e.g. earthwork, bridges, building, etc. Number 3, must be able to use survey instruments, example total station or theodolite or level machine, etc. and have good command over survey works including leveling, layout and alignment, etc. Must be familiar with measurement of payable items and their recording in the measurement books. Must be able to read the construction drawings and layout on ground. Must be able to prepare shop drawings. 8, bridge inspector pay package PPS 6. 01 post 1, must be qualified as DAE Civil. Must have a minimum 8 years of post qualification experience of supervision, execution, inspection and testing of infrastructure works. E.G. bridges and culverts, etc. Number 3, must be able to use survey instruments, example total station or theodolite or level machine, etc. and have a good command over survey works including leveling, layout and alignment, etc. Must be familiar with measurement of payable items and their recording in the measurement books. Must be able to read and interpret the construction drawings and layout on ground. Must be able to prepare shop drawings and bar bending schedules. 9, signal and telecommunication inspector pay package PPS 6. Number of posts 01. Number 1, must be qualified as DAE signal and telecom / electronic. Must have a minimum 8 years of post qualification experience of supervision and execution of signal and telecommunication related works for railways. Number 3, must be able to prepare the drawing of yards and interlocking and signaling arrangements. Submission of application. Interested candidate may submit their application along with photograph and attested copies of academic degrees / certificates and experience certificates, etc. and 2 recent passport size photos to the Executive Engineer, Tharkol Connectivity Project Office, Logo Shed Road near Railway Diesel Shed, Pakistan Railways, Karachi on or before 30th 5 2024 at 1500 hours. Application received after due date will not be entertained. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for test/interview. Number of posts can be increased or decreased as per requirement. Candidates can be disqualified at any stage of recruitment / selection process due to providing fake documents, false information or using any type of influence. Maximum age limit for the post is 62 years. Selected candidate has to serve at Karachi, Hyderabad, Mirpur Khas and site of project as per the project requirement at the concerned station, and no request for posting to other station will be entertained. The appointment shall be purely on contract basis for a period of 1 year, subject to successful completion of the probation period of 6 months. The contract period will inclusive of the probationary period, and contract may be extended for another 2 tenures of 1 year each or till completion of the project, whichever is earlier. No TA/TA will be admissible for appearing in interview. The candidate serving in government, semi-government or autonomous institutions should route their applicants through proper channel along with departmental no objection certificate. Preference shall be given to those candidates having experience of work in public sector organization. Management reserves the right to select or reject or not to fill advertised positions without assigning any reason. Incomplete application and applications received after due date will not be accepted. These positions are only for a specific location. Therefore, services of selected candidates shall neither confer any entitlement of regular/contractual appointment nor be regularized. Note: salary will be on project pay scale basis. Ghulam Qadir. महिसार एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर द कोल कनेक्टिविटी प्रोजेक्ट कराची, फ़ोन नंबर 021356329294 021356329294। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।